Hi, my name's Karl. I'm the head potter at the Poly Pottery Falmouth, and today we're going to be doing pinch pots. To get started, you will need a clean place to work, your tools, a bowl of water and a sponge. Make a hand-sized ball of clay. Press your thumb into the clay almost to the bottom. Using your thumb and fingers, start to pinch evenly at the bottom while rotating your pot. You are aiming for your pot to be 5 ml thick as demonstrated. Working your way up the pot to create the sides, if you press evenly in an upward motion, your pot will expand upward. For height on your pinch pot, you can start coiling and then start to smooth the surface as you go upwards. When you've taken the pot as high as you want to go, then you can start to shape your pot. Always use your fingers and thumbs together, either pushing more from the inside with your thumb to get an open form, or press with your fingers from the outside to get a closed form. To finish your shape, use water sparingly on your fingers or use a damp sponge to round the angles on the edges of your pot. Create 2 pinch pot bowls and place them down onto a sheet of card. Leave them dry until leather hard. Ensure that both top edges are flat before you bring the 2 pieces together. Then you need to score the edges on both pieces so that you can bring them together. The openings that will be joined together need to be the same size. Add a little water. Score once more, bring the 2 pieces together and gently press. You can use kitchen roll or tissue paper to fill the void before joining the 2 bowls together. This is to help support the pieces while they dry. Using your wooden tools, bring the edges together and smooth away with a sponge. Reshape with your hands into an oval in readiness to make your head. Make sure to place a little hole somewhere out of the way so that you can let the air out of your piece. Once your pinch pots are together and you've shaped into an oval, you can start to use your fingers to make the openings for the mouth and the eyes. You can add clay and build up the layers. For the hair, you can use a sieve. Push clay through the sieve and then cut with your knife and add to your clay head. Alternatively, you can make patterns by rolling out thin layers of clay and then building up the surface. You can use shells or bits of wood to actually create textures that you can then build up and add to your clay head. When your pot is finished, it doesn't have to be round. You can start using your fingers or the tools to actually start creating shapes and remodel the form. You can start adding extra bits of clay to make arms and legs and start to reform the face using little bits of clay. If you are not happy with your pot, then you can just make it into a ball and start again.